Preno muna tayo sa aksyon. Dito muna tayo sa magaan. Like check na tayo.
Alright, nagbabalik po ang Checkpoint 1062.
At welcome po sa isa na namang edisyon ng Live Check!
Abay, sa pagkakataong ito, meron tayong makakausap sa ating Zoom. Isa po siya sa mga awardee ng upcoming na second Southeast Asian Premier Business Achiever Awards. Ayun.
Makikipagkwentuhan tayo sa kanya. Alamin natin kung paano nga ba siya nakarating sa puntong ito na bibigyan siya ng award ng Southeast Asian Premier Business Achievers Awards.
Ito ba, kausap na natin live via Zoom si Sir Kirk Roldan. Isa po siyang business man at business-minded, syempre. Kausap natin siya live via Zoom para kamustahin ang mga bagay-bagay at ano ba mga tips, paano ba maging successful sa nasabing larangan. Sir Kirk, magandang gabi po. Welcome po sa aming programang Checkpoint 1062.
Good evening, Radyo Aguila.
Ayun, Sir
everyone.
Kirk.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. Appreciate it. And hello sa inyong lahat na nanonood ngayon. Hi, everyone.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo, sir.
O, diba? Setup ni Sir Kirk. Kala mo nasa studio rin siya. Oh.
Oo nga. Kayo rin po ba yan, video streamer po ba? Mga vlogger
Ayun na nga, oo.
Parang
Complete,
vlogger. Parang
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm doing podcast.
Oh!
Sir, my seminar for my
Wala tayo kay Sir Kirk. Nagpa-podcast siya.
Studio 3 po namin yan, mga ka-checkpoint. Okay. Sir Kirk, eto po Sir Kirk, ayun nga, kamustahin lang namin, kamusta po ang sa nasabing larangan, ito na meron na kayong award ngayon. So how is it po, bago kayo nakarating sa punto na nagkaroon po kayo ng mga pagkilala like that po?
Alright, thank you for that question, Sir Erlo. I've been in this industry for 14 plus years now. At hindi madali kasi before kong magiging CEO, I'm a freelancer before. So trabaho ko po, sir, is online jobs, no? Freelancing, and I'm doing like yung mga inuutos ng client sa atin online, no? So nagsimula ko doon, mainly SEO or search engine optimization. So from being a freelancer, working with clients, and then umabot sa oras na dumami na yung clients ko, I cannot handle it anymore. Tsaka ako gumawa ng agency. Yan yung Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. We are servicing clients abroad from USA, UK, Australia, USA, and then Philippines din. For 14 years plus now, maraming challenges, maraming success. And kaya I guess this is the right time for me as well to get this award, no, kasi parang it's time na rin for 14 years. Yes.
Apo, Sir Kirk, ito po, for that years po, syempre, can you tell us po, may mga struggle ba na kayong naranasan? Syempre, sa atin naman, kahit sino naman mag-start sa mga negosyo, may mga struggle talagang mararanasan until makapunta doon sa tugatog ng tagumpay.
Hindi naman makakarating si Sir Kirk ng ganun-ganun na lang na tipong he climbs a ladder and wala. Ayan na, nandun na siya sa tugatog. Siyempre, may mga pinagdaanan tong si Sir Kirk. Sige, go ahead, sir. Ano yung...
Totoo, sir. Actually, napakarami. Kasi imagine, handling clients international, napakahirap po siya. Hindi po siya madali. No, aside from handling clients, handling staff. Right now, I have 100 plus staff working for me on a daily basis. We have an office here in Surigao City, Mindanao. Ayan. So, managing people, napakahirap. So, mabuti na lang I have my wife who's helping me as well to manage these people. Kasi as a CEO, you cannot handle this kind of people. Tapos ikaw lang mag-isa. So, you need to have management and then chief of operation, finance team, and then tsaka yung mga specialist na nagtatrabaho sa amin on a daily basis. So, utang na loob ko talaga sa lahat ng mga taong bumubuo ng company namin. Maraming challenges like mga clients na even though they already aware with our agreement, with our policy, meron pa rin hindi kasi fuma-follow sa mga ganon. So very stressful, but then again, nauunawaan din naman namin. So if meron talaga kaming ma-handle ng mga clients na hindi or mga stressful, so we ask them to quit, no? Fina-fire namin sila kasi ayaw din namin ma-stress yung mga staff namin. But
good thing din
yes,
na
natural lang naman din yung mga challenges eh.
Oo.
It's part of being a business owner.
Apo.
Yes po.
Apo. Sir Kirk, is this your first time na makatanggap po ng award for this different or for this award giving organization, sir? So kamusta po ang feeling na nare-recognize po yung inyong mga gawi sa industriya po?
Actually, sir, it's fulfilling
Mhm.
to have this award, no? And kasi this is the first time then na magka-award yung agency, Kirk
Apo.
Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. And I'm really proud kasi one of the goal for the company is to help more people. And then by having this award, no, clients or prospects can really understand or interest to work with us kasi
Apo.
they know that we have this award and to help more people inside Surigao City or in our place.
Apo, sir, eto po, last na lang po for our part. Ano pong mensahe nyo doon sa mga parang nag-i-start pa lang sa negosyo, parang
kung ano
ilang
yung
ano
mga
pa lang
gustong ipayo nyo, sir,
oo, para to
sa
make it a success. Kasi yung iba baka nakakaranas na ng downs for their everything
Saka
na ginagawa.
Kung may uusog lang kayo na tip ng mula sa isang negosyante na nagmula na roon sa mababa hanggang sa nakarating na
to be success,
sa
di ba?
kanyang pinatunguhan ngayon itong tugatog na ngayon na naabot na niya yung mga pangarap niya, marami na siyang natamo around his career in his career bilang negosyante. At ito nga, pinasok niyo rin yung podcasting. Ano yung mga pwede nyo pong maipayo po sa ating mga listeners?
You need to have someone, no, a mentor that who's doing that for like hindi lang isang taon but for a long time already. They have encountered challenges, problems,
Apo.
a lot of challenges in that field, no. So you need to have someone or a mentor kasi yung mga tao na yun is ginagawa na yan before, nagfi-fail na sila. So with that being said, hindi matutulungan ka nila kung saan ka patungo or kung saan yung success dapat ka patungo. So you need to have that, no? And then it takes time, but the good thing with that is you're learning with your failures, you're learning with your challenges, and that's also very important for you to grow. Imagine nga, I've been in this industry for 14 years now at hindi naman yun for the first year ako nagiging successful because I have a lot of challenges then. So it takes me about like 10 years siguro before ko pa masabi na we have this stable business, no. But then again, this industry is napakalaki. So you need to have that to have that in mind. All right.
Yes. Kumbaga, kumbaga, pasensya, tiyaga, and everything. Kailangan mong...
Hindi lang pasensya, mahabang pasensya.
Totoo po.
Kasi, hindi mo naman mararating ang gusto mong patunguhan kung hindi mo pagtsatsagaan, hindi mo paghihirapan, kumbaga, kung ano yung mga gusto mong maabot sa buhay.
Walang shortcut sa mga bagay-bagay.
Walang magic sa buhay.
Kita mo si Alvin. Si Alvin, hindi yan siya market. Diretso yan. Papunta rito sa opisina.
Naging literal na direksyon.
Ay, iba pala yun.
Iba yun, Brad. Iba yun.
Well, anyway, sir, message na lang po. Baka may gusto kayong batiin and everything. Yun po. Sige,
yes,
sir.
Po.
Bibigyan na namin po yung hapag sa inyo, sir.
Okay.
Go ahead po.
Sige, sir. Thank you so much for that. And I just want to say thank you so much to Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achiever Award for recognizing me. And I'm super excited na to be part of this event. Gaganapin siya sa Winford Resort and Casino Manila this coming December 8th. And also, if you're really interested to learn more about what we do, you can go to my website, kirkroldanseo.com. If you want to learn how to make money from from having a business in digital or doing SEO or doing what we do for a living, punta lang kayo kirkroldanseo.com, and then I'm going to help you for free po. Wala po kayong babayaran doon. Or if you have a business na if you want to grow the traffic online, no, any business basta legit lang, we can help you as well.
Ayun. Maraming salamat po, Sir Kirk. Ingat po and congratulations po in advance.
Congratulations po, Sir Kirk. Si Sir Kirk Roldan
Thank you po, Sir Alvin and Erlo.
Ayun.
Thank you po.
Sir Kirk
Thank you, Radyo
Roldan.
Aguila, for having me here.
Opo.
Ayun.
Ingat po kayo.
Sir
Sige
Kirk.
po.
Yan po si Sir Kirk Roldan, isa pong awardee
ng second Southeast Asian Premier Business Achievers Awards 2024.